Tom, man, I still can't believe you bought a Lada Priora. Out of all the cars in the world, you picked this one. Evan, don't judge it until you ride in it. This car has character. It's not trying to be fancy. It's simple, solid, and it has a certain charm. Tom, charm. The shifter looks like it came from a toaster, and the dashboard lights feel like they're powered by hope. Evan, that's the beauty of it. Nothing here is pretending to be something it's not. You drive it, it goes. You fix it, it keeps going. That's honesty on wheels. Tom, sounds more like survival mode. Alright, start it up. Let me hear this thing. Evan, you're about to experience greatness. Listen to that engine. Tom, it sounds like a lawnmower trying to pass a kidney stone. Evan, hey, that's the 1.6-liter soul of Russian engineering doing its best. Give it some respect. Tom, I'll give it respect if it gets us to the coffee shop without falling apart. Evan, it'll get us there. This thing has outlasted worse roads than anything in this town. Tom, okay, I'll admit, the seats are surprisingly comfortable. I expected them to feel like church pews. Evan, see, you underestimate it. People joke about Ladas, but they don't realize how tough these cars are. They were built to survive everything from potholes to ice storms. Tom, and yet they look like they're permanently stuck in 2008. Evan, timeless design, my friend. Minimalistic, uncomplicated. You know how many modern cars are drowning in touchscreens. This one gives you knobs, buttons, and peace of mind. Tom, peace of mind until the radio decides to shock me. Are you sure this wiring is safe? Evan, safe enough. Besides, you worry too much. Just enjoy the ride. Tom, fine, I'll try to appreciate it. But tell me why you actually bought this thing. Seriously, Evan, I grew up around cars just like this. My uncle had one. He taught me how to change spark plugs on it, how to replace a belt, how to listen to the engine and guess what was going on inside. When I found this one for sale, it felt like bringing back a piece of that time. Tom, alright, that's actually kind of cool. Sentimental car guy energy. I get it now. Evan, told you, it's more than a car to me. It's like a piece of who I used to be. Tom, does it ever break down? Evan, sometimes, but fixing it is half the fun. You don't need fancy tools or a PhD in electronics. You just need patience and a Saturday afternoon. Tom, I can respect that. A lot of new cars feel disposable. If something breaks, it's cheaper to replace the whole part than repair it. Evan, exactly. Not with this. With the Priora, everything feels repairable. It's a car that wants to keep living. Tom, alright, I'll admit something else. The ride is smoother than I expected. We've hit like 4 potholes and I barely felt them. Evan, Soviet-era suspension. Built for roads with more craters than pavement. Tom, now that's a selling point. Evan, you laugh, but it's true. This thing could drive across a gravel pit and still feel fine. Tom, you know what? I'm starting to understand why people love these cars. They have personality, and they feel real. Evan, that's exactly why. A lot of modern cars feel cold. They're efficient, but they don't have soul. This one has flaws, quirks, noises, but it also has heart. Tom, alright, don't get poetic on me now. But yeah, I get it. This car is like that old friend who borrows $20 and pays you back in homemade cookies. Evan, that might be the weirdest analogy I've ever heard, but I'll take it. Tom, so, are you ever planning on selling it? Evan, not a chance. This one's staying with me. Even if it needs a new alternator every year. Tom, well, after this ride, I kind of want one. Not for daily use, but for weekend adventures. Evan, that's how it starts. One ride, one laugh, one memory. Next thing you know, you're shopping for a Priora at 2 in the morning. Tom, if that ever happens, I'm blaming you. Evan, I'll gladly take the blame. Welcome to the club.